Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. The dangerous job of commercial fishing. As the most dangerous job in the country, there are many ways in which a commercial fisherman can become injured or even killed while working. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, there were 6,010 non-fatal injuries and illnesses among fishermen between 23 and 29. During that same period, 334 workers died on the job. The most common types of injuries included accident with object or equipment on board the fishing vessel and overexertion. The greatest number of fatal accidents occur in Alaska, with Massachusetts and Florida coming in second and third place. The majority of deaths resulted from sinking or capsizing vessels or falling overboard. Actual causes of death for most of these workers was drowning or hypothermia. And then next about maintenance and cure. The first law that gives right to injure or sick commercial fishermen is the ancient law of maintenance and cure. If you qualify as a seaman, which means you spend at least 30% of your time on a vessel, and your work contributes to the purpose of the vessel, you are entitled to maintenance and cure compensation from your employer when you are injured or become sick while working. Most fishermen qualify under this law. Your employer does not have to have been negligent in the incident for you to get compensation for maintenance. Your daily living expenses, while you can be aboard the ship working, and cure your medical expenses resulting from the work injury or illness. And then next about the doctrine of unseaworthiness. Commercial fishermen who have been injured on the job may also qualify for rights under the doctrine of unseaworthiness. This law states that ship owners are obligated to provide workers with a vessel that is seaworthy, and if he or she does not, injured worker can sue for damage if that injury resulted from a deficiency that made the ship unseaworthy. And then being unseaworthy does not just mean a ship is unable to navigate or float. Unseaworthiness could result from any lacks of maintenance or equipment defects that put workers aboard the ship at risk of an injury or illness. A vessel is unseaworthy if any aspect of it is faulty or not well maintained. And then about the Jonas Act. As a commercial fisherman and a seaman, you also have right under the Jonas Act. This law applies to all seamen and comes into effect when a seaman is injured or become ill on the job because of some negligence on the part of the employers. Your burden of proof to get compensation through the Jonas Act is low. You only have to prove that your employer was negligent and that the negligence contributes, even in small parts, to your injury or illness. You can use your right under the Jonas Act if your employer is not giving you the compensation you believe you deserve. The Act allows you to sue for damages, which may include lost wages, lost future wages, medical expenses, and even pain and suffering. And then next about the Alaska Fisherman Fund. Because so much commercial fishing takes place in Alaskan waters and many of the illness and fatalities aboard shipping vessels occur there, the state created the Alaska Fisherman Funds. This provides another source of compensation in the event that a commercial fisherman is injured on the job, even if that injury occurs offshore. If you work on a commercial fishing vessel and you have been injured on the job, know your rights. You are not covered by state workers' compensation by state worker compensation programs, but you are covered by several different specialized maritime law. You have rights and those include compensation for your injury. Contact an experienced maritime lawyer to help you get the money you deserve. And then about commercial fishermen worker compensation. According to statistics on deaths and injuries, commercial fishermen have the most dangerous job in the U.S. Working in this job means spending weeks or a month at sea, long hours, physically strenuous work, and facing hazardous conditions every day. If you are a commercial fisherman, you are not covered by typical state workers' compensation insurance. You are covered under several maritime laws, however, that provide workers in this dangerous industry compensation and benefits in the case of injury, accident, or illness. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe.